दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का द कॉमर्स बडी चैनल में। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज अपन फिर से नए नए गाइस कोर्सेज देखने वाले गाइस, जो कि ये कोर्सेज आपके बेसिकली अलग अलग जॉब्स अपडेट में मदद करेंगे। जैसे आपने फ्रीलांसिंग सुना हुआ गाइस, तो फ्रीलांसिंग से रिलेटेड गाइस माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल या ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग या डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, ऐसे बहुत सारे कोर्सेज गाइस जो कि अभी आज ट्रेंडिंग चल रहे हैं। और कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में गाइस अगर आपको सस्टेन करना है तो यहाँ पे ये वाले डिफरेंट कोर्सेज के सर्टिफिकेशन होना बहुत जरूरी गाइस। तो आज मैं आपको 5 सर्टिफिकेशन बताने वाला हूँ, जिनको भी गाइस वो सर्टिफिकेशन करना है तो आप जल्दी कर सकते हो, क्योंकि ये अभी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दिए जा रहे हैं। और ग्रेट लर्निंग गाइस एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जो कि विराट कोहली गाइस एम्बेसडर है उनके, और वो बेसिकली यहाँ पे प्रमोट करते हैं ग्रेट लर्निंग को गाइस। तो ग्रेट लर्निंग के गाइस 5 सर्टिफिकेशन प्रोग्राम है जो कि अगेन यहाँ पे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दिए जा रहे हैं। और मैंने बेसिकली हर डोमेन को कवर किया। अगर आप इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट हो, अगर आप कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट हो, अगर आप आर्ट्स स्टूडेंट हो, तो भी आप इन सबको एनरोलमेंट कर सकते हो। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं गाइस। अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर देना और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर देना, जिससे कोई भी आपका अपडेट मिस नहीं हो। तो लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन। So friends, you can see that I have reached to the Great Learning website. Here you will be seeing the 5 basic advanced courses. Here the first course is Excel for beginners, guys. तो मैं ऑफिशियल ग्रेट लर्निंग के प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ गया हूँ। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो गाइस, इफ वी सी द रेटिंग्स which is 4.48 ratings guys, around 18,893 students enrolled in this program, which is Excel for Microsoft Excel for beginners guys. In every data analytics field or in every in company, Microsoft Excel is a basic thing which every candidate must know about that, right? So that's why they are giving the free certification program. You can see the 2 hours video content will be there, and there will be the one quiz also after completion of the video lecture. Okay, so you can see that you can see the introduction part also, like what is the Excel, Microsoft Excel at the beginning level, and skills. If we talk about the skills, then you will be getting a call referencing, tables and borders in Excel, data and time in Excel, sorting and filtering, if else condition, and general functions and descriptive analysis. Okay, so these are the basic. If we talk about the course syllabus, so you can see the introduction to Excel. Everything will be bifurcated properly. You can see each and every thing. If we talk about the certification, so after completion of the videos and the quiz, you will be getting this certification in which it's mentioned certification of completion presented to your name will be there. You have successfully completing a free online course on Microsoft Excel powered by Great Learning Academy. So this will be coming guys. तो जिनको भी guys ये कोर्स एनरोल करना आप कर सकते हो। यहाँ पे आपको एक ऑप्शन दिख जाएगा एनरोल फॉर फ्री, तो यू नीड टू क्लिक ऑन दैट. आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन दैट, the pop-up will come, sign in with Google or continue with the new email ID. So guys, if you are a new user, you can just like sign up with Google, or you have an already account, then you can just log in that email ID and password, and you can directly enroll in this program. Okay, now if we move on to the next course, which is introduction to ethical hacking. So guys, this is also amazing course that is related to hacking and all, in which the ethical hacking threats, the process, and how the range of different domains will be there. Each and everything will be explained in a detailed way. Okay, so you can see the ratings. If we talk about the 3,172 ratings guys, already if we see the 14,636 students enrolled in this program. If we talk about the duration of the program, then the duration will be 3 hours, and it's related to only cyber security and all. Okay, so the candidates or the students who are looking for ethical hacking related to cyber security and data analytics, they can enroll in this program. Okay, so you can see you can read the description also about ethical hacking, and after the completion of this program, you will be like you can write in your resume that I know these skills, that is introduction to ethical hacking, process flow for ethical hacking techniques, domains, or BWAPP. Okay, so guys, these are the basic topics which we'll be covering in ethical hacking. So who all are interested for this certification, they can directly enroll in this certification. Okay, if we move on to the next course, which is introduction to digital marketing, again this is a trending certification program. Every candidate is doing the digital marketing course, and in any company, if you see the hiring process now, if you see in Google also, the highest package of digital marketing, you can see around 6 to 7 lakh average Okay, so the basic level, if you are a student, if you are a student like first year, second year, third year, on you want to do some internships and all. Okay, so internships are based on the digital marketing or any skills, that is MS Excel, ethical hacking, digital marketing, Python, graphic designing, anything. Okay, so if you want to do like earn money during your college days, so you can do these courses. These are amazing courses and they are giving free of cost, guys. Okay, so you can see if we talk about the ratings, 14,517 ratings will be there, and already 39,663 students enrolled in this program, guys. So you can see this amazing digital marketing course in which you will be learning SEO and SEM, content marketing, social media marketing, automated marketing, affiliate marketing, pay per click, public relations, and YouTube marketing. So these all the major topics cover in the digital marketing. Okay, and you can see the speaker also. He has 3+ years of working experience in the field of data science, and you can see the certificate and all. Okay, then we move on to the next, second last course, which is Python for machine learning. Again, this is amazing course for especially designed for engineers. So you can see the ratings also. If we talk about the ratings, it is 8,762, and the course content will be like 1.5 hours video lecture will be there, and there is one quiz. If we talk about the students, so already there are 3 lakh 4,149 students enrolled in this program. So you can write in your skills that are NumPy and Pandas. So basically NumPy and Pandas you will be learning in the Python language, and you will be getting a certificate and all. Okay, so those candidates who are looking for Python language, any basic Python language beginner level, so they can directly enroll in this program. Okay, and the last course is the, guys, introduction to graphic designing with Photoshop. So again, this is a like editing part, UIX UX design part, and this is also amazing course if you want to earn money in your college days na, through freelancer websites like Fiverr, Freelancer. So you can easily earn that money by like giving by completing the certification program, that is digital marketing or graphic designing. So you can edit videos as an analyst, and everything will be provided to you. Okay, so you can see here, like if you talk about the video duration, the course content will be 1 hour, and there will be one quiz. If we talk about the students enrolled, so it around 2,03,294 students enrolled in this program, guys. So you can see the skills. If we talk about the skills, graphic designing, Photoshop, creating a thumbnail, well, these are the basic skills which you are learning in this program, and you can see the certificate also. So after completion of the course content and all, you will be getting a certificate. So guys, this is an amazing opportunity. If you are really interested for these program, these are the 5 major programs I have covered in this. Rest all there are some more certifications which are free of cost in Great Learning, so you can see in the website also, but these are the major 5 that every candidate must do these courses, guys. Okay, so guys, you can enroll in this program, and if you have any doubt now, you can just message me in the description box. I will be resolving that doubt. And if you have any like personal doubt and all, so you can just drop me a message in my LinkedIn or Instagram account. In LinkedIn and Instagram account description, link will be provided in your description box. Okay, so guys, see you guys tomorrow. Hope you are doing good. मिलते हैं next video में. Bye bye guys.